Okay, we'll start with the Mustard R50 size 12 dry fly hook. We have sheer 40-0 brown. I'll attach this just a wee ways behind the hook eye. This is the Welshman's button, or the chocolate drop as it's also known, very popular fly in the UK. We'll run our tying thread back to there, remove that. And what we need is a long chocolate brown CDC hackle, 2 times loosely round, and we just pull this through, catching it into there, and then we can tie it down moving forward. Perfect. We put a hackle plier on the hackle. We want to twist it a couple of times once round. This is a Petit-Jean body technique. Keep it twisting as you go. Don't try and twist it all at once because you'll snap the hackle, so just with each turn. And you want to pull the fibres up with each turn to catch them in. We don't want to go all the way forward. We want to leave room for the wing and the hackle. And that will do us there. So we just catch that in, remove the hackle plier, lock it off, and then we can remove the remainder of that CDC hackle. Now you can leave these on if you wish, but I like to remove them. So we just trim these off. Gives a very nice body effect, and of course has all the floating qualities still of CDC. There we go. That makes the body of this little brown sedge very nicely. That'll do us. So what we want now is, this is the head and neck of a mallard, drake, and it's these little feathers here with the white tips, the brown ones with the white tips you want 2 of. You want to try and get them with nice even tips like this, and then what we do is we strip this off, all the downy off, until you get about a little longer than the hook shank. We want 2 of these and we place them on top of each other like so, and we put them on top of the hook shank. We make a couple of loose turns and then we can pull them through until they're in position. That looks nice. So we can go forward now, secure it, lift up the stems, get rid of those. That's looking good. Then what we need is 2, these are done hackle stems from very large hackles. Now it's much easier to tie these in when the hackle stems are stripped long and you keep the ends on, because they're much easier to handle. So what we'll do here is we just tie these in, keep them on top, go back, that's good, and we go forward, lift them up, 1 turn under, And then we can lift up, when you've got enough to handle these at the back, you can lift them up and trim them off easily. If they're really short, they can be a real finicky thing to get off. Those are good, and we'll leave these on for the time being. So then I've got a chocolate dun hackle that I've stripped off half of the fibres from. We want to go right to left first when tying this in, because that will push it right over to the wing, and then from left to right, and then we can secure that, trim that off and go over the stem forward like so. Then we need a hackle plier. And we want a nice collar hackle. All the way forward. Get to there, swap those around, remove the hackle plier, pull the hackle back, pull the antenna back, whip finisher, couple of whip finishes, oops, remove our tying thread. Careful when you're removing the hackle, because you don't want to be cutting the antenna off. Remove that, take our antenna together, and we trim these off same length. We take our dubbing needle, just put those over your nail. That's it. That's the chocolate drop, or the Welshman's button, a very important fly in Wales and Ireland when they're hatching. If you enjoy the videos, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.